Hello and welcome to this demonstration on how to use Britannica LaunchPacks for lesson planning. Britannica LaunchPacks is a great tool for not only finding ready-made lessons and schemes of learning, but also a communication tool that allows educators to set tasks, assess learners, give feedback and monitor progress. To show you this, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our personalised area where educators can create classrooms and set work. First, what I need to do is create my own personal account within LaunchPacks. To do this, I can click on the top right-hand corner where it says My Account and create an account. This is very simple. All you need to do as an educator is create a username and a password and put in your email address. So I'm now going to sign into my personal account. So you'll see when I'm signed in, this changes to my name. And if I click on this now, you'll see you're in your own personalised teaching space where you can begin collecting schemes of learning and creating classes. So the first thing I want to show you is the ability to create your own class. I'm going to click on classes and you will see that I already have a class set up. However, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to create a new one. And you can do this by clicking that Create New Class button down here. And from here, you can simply name the class and add a description. And once you press submit, you will see an option to send a code or a direct link to your students or email them an invite. And that will give them an invitation to join your class. Another area I would like to show you within the personal account before we look at setting work is My LaunchPacks. So again, up here, I'm going to click on My LaunchPacks. This is where anything that you have favorited or customized sits. So now what I want to do is just show you how we can share these packs with your classes, set tasks, and then how you can monitor their progress too. So first, I will come back to the home page and do a little search. So let's say I am teaching the topic of climate change. So I'll do the search and I can filter my search by grade levels and by categories. But for now, I'm just going to click on this pack. So here now we have a ready-made launch pack full of content and different types of resources on the topic of climate change. However, while we want to help release the stress of workload by supplying you with this content, we also know that educators know their pupils best, and therefore we have a customization option up here. Here you're able to upload any documents such as worksheets, where I will now upload my own worksheet that I would like my students to complete. So just click on Upload a Document, select a file, Climate Change Worksheets. I'll name it. You can add a description and then just tick I agree to say that it's your own document. And you'll see on the right-hand side here that's been added. You can also add external links if you want your pupils to go and explore elsewhere. We also have ready-made graphic organisers that are basically ready-made resources for your pupils to use. They're templates that are flexible and engage literacy, numeracy and higher order thinking skills. And in terms of assessment, we also have the option of adding a Kahoot quiz to the pack. So for now, I'm going to save the changes. Okay, and you can see any changes that I made are now in the pack. So here is my worksheet down here. We also have ready-made activities to give educators an idea on what tasks they could set for their students. This is particularly useful for newly qualified teachers to assist them when lesson planning and giving them ideas on how to engage pupils with higher order thinking skills. So you have a couple to choose from by here, as well as question sets that you can also apply to the pack. Once the pack has been personalised, you can then share with your students. To do this, simply click More and then Assign. From here, you can select which class you would like to assign this to and the deadline for the task to be done. So I'll write my instruction by here saying review all resources in this pack by the listed due date and complete worksheet attached. Obviously, you can put in as many worksheets, links, as many instructions as you like, depending on your topic and what you would like your class to do. And I'll assign it to class A. So once it's been assigned, you can see it turns into a student activity pack. The students will then get a notification to say that they have a deadline to complete and will have access to any of the resources, activities, worksheets, and instructions you left in the pack. Just to show you what this looks like, I am now on my student account, where you can see I have a notification up here. If I click on that, it'll take me to the pack that I assigned with the instructions that I left as well and all the resources that is needed. Okay, of course you can remove and add as many resources as you like depending on what you want to cover and what you want to set the pupils. So if I just go back onto the teacher account. So now we have chosen the pack we would like to use, customize, added tasks, and assigned it to the pupils, we can now monitor their progress. And I can do this by going back into classes up here and going on to the actual class. So this is the one I set it to. I can view the activity that was set here, any open activities, or I can look at it via pupil progress. If I click on the students individually, it will allow me to view their responses, where I can see what they have completed. And once I am happy that they have completed the task well, and I've given some feedback, I can mark the activity as complete. So I would like to thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create classes, assign packs and individual tasks to students through these classes to keep a continuum of learning, whether they're at home or in the classroom, and to ensure that we are always encouraging independent learning skills.